Today we have a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Traffic Stop Turns Chaotic After Couple Flees from Police.
Stay in the car.
A simple traffic stop spirals into multiple felonies when this couple runs from police and accidentally leads them straight to their home. On June 23rd, police in Carlsbad attempted to stop a car with suspended plates, but the couple inside sped off, unknowingly leading police straight to their home where chaos quickly unfolded.
Hey, stay in the car, stay in the car. Matt, don't get in there. Get out. Get out.
Wait, give me purse.
Get out.
Lower the window. Turn out the vehicle.
Get out of the car. I'm sorry. My bad.
Step out of the vehicle.
Later, Carlsbad. 141 detained.
Tiana. It's serious. That's why I want to go home.
Over here.
Hey, get out of the car.
No, just get my money out of the purse. This kid, inside. You take my purse, you take my money out.
Sarge, can you close that door?
Yeah.
Stop. You're not gonna get your purse, okay?
I'm not, I'm serious.
Sarge, she had a purse and it should be right by the door.
As officers enter the house, they ask the family to step outside and begin searching for the suspect's purse, but it's nowhere to be found, raising suspicions it's being hidden.
Hey, police department, come out here.
Right here, feet. You got feet right there.
Who else is back there?
76 valid. She's on the house. 32-hour agency.
What is it, sir?
Go and step out for me, boss.
Stay right here in the front. You get right here.
Hey, come out here right now.
Who, me?
Whoever it is.
Who's back there?
Hold on, I just have my phone in my hand.
All right, come out here.
I'm like, whoa, what the hell is going on?
Both of you, get outside. What'd you do with the purse that was right here?
I didn't do nothing. What is going on?
I think I put it on even though y'all meant for real, there's no cops out here.
What the?
Where did that purse go? It's like, let's be real right now. Bang, or someone's going to jail.
I don't even know what's going on.
What is going on? I know, I walk out and I see people in handcuffs and I'm like,
Yeah, you walked out. Where's the purse at that was right here?
I'm like,
We're in there watching a movie, man.
I just barely got back. from
Yeah, but
family
you came
dinner.
outside and then you
Yeah,
walked
I
back
came
in. There was a
outside.
purse right here that's gone now, so where'd it go?
I'm like, what the this, like,
Really? They just.
this isn't even my house. I'm
Are
like,
you serious, dude? Did you just.
So whose house is this? Do any of you guys live here?
I do.
Yes.
You do? Is this your house?
He was here.
What's your name, sir?
Tito Rodriguez.
Tito Rodriguez?
Oh, dude.
Yeah, we don't even know what's going on.
We didn't even know he came in here. We didn't even know the dude came in the house.
and I'm
We just heard a
like,
bunch of wreckage.
tell Daniel to get the truck.
Go ahead.
Daniel.
Go ahead and come over here to my unit. Hey, Diaz, make sure nobody gets in the truck.
What truck? Not that truck. I don't know that truck.
10-4. What do you need?
My money.
Okay, well, I'll get your purse. I'll get all your money, whatever you need, okay? All right, have a seat in there real quick. Come back and get you. Did you already run him?
I'm thinking one or two things is happening here. Either one, she has something in that purse that she needed them to get rid of, or two, once she mentioned that she had money in the purse, whoever in there well, she going to jail, I might as well be able to keep this money, you know what I mean? Probably get that money up out of there and keep it for themselves. Maybe if they're addicts or something like that. Those are the only two things that I could think of as to why the purse will be missing. Either somebody wants to keep it to go through it and keep whatever it is for themselves, or there's something in there that they trying to get rid of, or whatever the case may be, that they don't want them to find.
Is he clear?
They haven't given me the one time.
Okay.
But also the fact that she's keep asking for her purse and her money that's in there is telling me that, yeah, somebody probably wanted to keep that money for themselves.
Did you find the purse?
No, it's gone. Okay. Okay.
That's not cool, dude.
You know the K9, they ready to work. They ready to work.
Yeah, like I said, she says she has money in there. She wants her money.
Okay, we don't have nothing about that, baby.
I mean, if you guys took it, you guys are gonna respond for that purse, okay?
See?
Police department.
Damn, who the hell lives in some shit like this?
I'm like, I don't know.
Oh man, just
You don't know? This is yours?
That's mine.
15 as well. Or
Did he come back?
yeah, he's negative.
He's negative. All right. Bring him over here. Let's
Come over here.
Yeah, so she tried to close the door. I mean, she dropped it on here. So,
Oh, that's fine.
So the boy that was with her, she came from back here, but
I mean,
there's another female back here messing around.
There was?
Great.
Yeah, she said gray leather.
Man, I've been to houses in third world countries that look better than this. This shit look crazy.
She has a warrant, right? Yeah, she has a warrant. He's clear.
Where do you?
Does he have a valid DL?
Where's your? Do you have a driver's license with you?
I don't have it. What was his name?
Sergio
what?
Quiroz.
We got a return on? Yeah, we did. Did you confirm DL photo and everything? Go check on my unit.
Hey, so I know he read you your rights, correct? Are you aware of your rights? Okay, with those rights in mind, do you want to talk about what happened right now, the situation?
I completely all right with it. Like, I was helping a friend came over here and then like I was just told go and I was like wait.
Who told you go?
That chick. And I was like honestly.
She told you to not stop?
Yeah.
I mean, you clearly saw units right behind you with the lights on.
And I said, I don't know, could you say something? Like, I'm not trying to get in trouble. Like, I'm trying to.
I mean, you were the one driving the vehicle, correct? You could have stopped at any. Suspended deal. No. Yeah, he's on probation. What are you on probation for?
I got into. I was really bad on drugs back then, and I guess this dude was laughing at me. I had a seizure, and I assaulted him by breaking the window.
Who's the owner of that vehicle?
My friend Honda Mendoza.
Okay.
She's from Lebanon. So.
You're on probation, right?
Yes.
Knowing that you're on probation, how come you're not coming to a stop when you're supposed to when there's stop behind you?
You want to take that 29?
You were the driver.
You know what the red and blue lights mean, bro?
It means stop, right? And you didn't stop. You went.
He probably didn't want us slowing down. I was like, man, I can't.
No, you very well could have stopped right back there on that street over there. You could have stopped right there, and you should have stopped right there. But instead, you chose to drive down this street, and then come back over here. That's no different than running from the police on foot. You just ran from us in a vehicle. So that's resisting evading an officer right there. So you're on probation. You're catching a charge for resisting evading an officer, driving on a suspended license, no registration, no insurance. Everything that's wrong with that vehicle, you're getting caught with right now because you were driving it.
I don't even know what's wrong with that truck right now.
No, you probably shouldn't have been driving it then, huh? You probably shouldn't be driving anyway because you got a suspended license, my guy.
So I'm sorry. I was wanting to go home like hours ago.
Alright, guys, step out.
Please, Crowder. Did you get the return on the 28?
I'm going in front of this unit. What do you have on you? Okay. The reason I ask is if you don't come forward about what you have now and you do have something, you take it to jail, it's another felony charge for bringing contraband into a facility. You understand that? So do you have anything in your bra, anything like that? What do you have in your pockets? You got a cell phone, wallet, and okay. So he's gonna search you. Go ahead, Alvaro. Maybe you can just face the left of it. Did it come off when you set it up?
Yes, sir.
That's it.
The vehicle's going to be towed. It does, yeah. They don't have nothing, and then you're not the registered owner as well.
Yeah. I can't call them to come get it?
It's still no good. It has nothing on it. But it's got nothing on it, so in the event,
No, it's understandable. I mean, but
we would do the same thing if it was
yeah,
anywhere
I mean,
else.
Is Sergio with the J or with the G? With the J? Okay.
No, I have nothing at all. Like, it's been trying to go home. Like, come on. Alright, he's good.
Don't cry.
Take him.
Should have stopped. Don't cry.
We'll see if he goes to call back. But for right now, just the REO.
Matter of fact, it shouldn't even be. You should have stopped. You should have never been driving. Stop crying.
Yeah, so do everything that's wrong with the vehicle, like I said, registration, insurance, suspended, driver license. Yeah, so do everything that's wrong with the vehicle, like I said, registration, insurance, suspended, driver license. What else? Any, the stop sign, did he come to a stop or he just went through it?
Which stop sign was it?
Because there's a stop sign right here.
You mean interview this guy?
So we're looking at it, and he has to know that she was a felon. So yeah, I mean we can interview him and just ask him.
Hey man, you okay? Can I talk to you for a second? Okay. Did they already read you your rights?
I don't need this, bro. Like, I could tell some gay for my mom. Some shit happened at home. I don't need this. Dude, it's going to go on.
Well, unfortunately, we're already here.
I don't want to get sorry.
And I haven't talked to you yet, so I wanted to get yours out of the story, okay? So, can you tell me, like, fill me in? Like, just be real with me? Okay. You're good. So, tell me what happened.
I told him the right, and I was right. They opened the door and they like, go. The blood is up. All right. I was like, fuck, man. I didn't know why I took off.
You're good.
I was out of it, you know.
Take a breath. It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you, nothing like that. You're good. Like how I got the door open. I know I'm kind of right here, but now I can hear you. That way we get a little bit of air.
It's funny and shit because I'm laughing. I don't care, dude. I lost everything.
So you were driving. All right. They told you to go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kept telling me go. Like I'm like, fuck, I can't. Just go. And I was like, fuck. You know?
Okay. Do you know why she told you to go?
No, I don't. I really don't. Like, I honestly don't.
Okay.
I just told her.
She didn't say anything at all?
No.
Like, I got warrants, I got some shit on me?
No, bro. She didn't tell me nothing.
No.
Like, I don't know what that's about, obviously.
She just said go, yeah. Pretty much?
Yeah, I was like, what? Like, kind of been out of it, like, I got kicked out, and, like, some bullshit happened between me and my dad.
I got you.
It's not really something to talk about because it's stupid as fuck.
I got you. No worries. I just had to get your side of the story. I hadn't talked to you yet, okay?
I ain't trying to lie to you. I'm not trying to go to jail, bro. I've been going around. Like,
so did you know that she had, like, warrants and shit?
I don't even know. Like, I don't know her.
You just gave some random lady a ride?
Like, no, I came here because my friend Olga, but, like, I don't know her like that. I don't. Like,
alright. That makes no sense, though, bro.
Huh?
You just gave this random lady a ride?
Well, I was in the car, I seen the door open, like, all I see is, what the fuck? Like, go. Like, what am I supposed to do? Like, what the fuck? Like,
okay. Was Olga in the car?
No, she had got off. She was talking about some stuff.
So it was just you and that, and it was just you and her, the other lady.
I was by myself at first, and like said go, and I was like, fuck, what the fuck? Like I'm honestly telling you the truth, my mind's been fucking spaced. My dad watched me give head to this dude, and I got kicked out. You know what I mean? If you really want to know, like it's going down like.
Whoa! Flag on the play. Whoa! What? Come on, man. We don't need all that information now. We just trying to understand if she got warrants or not, man. No, whoa. That is a flagrant foul, bro. Flag on the play, penalty, man. No, we don't need to know all of that, man. The cops don't need to know all that. YouTube don't need to know all that, man. We just trying to figure out if you knew she was a felon or not, man. You taking it somewhere where it don't need to go, man. Golly.
First, and like said go, and I was like, fuck, what the fuck? Like I'm honestly telling you the truth, my mind's been fucking spaced. My dad watched me give head to this dude, and I got kicked out. You know what I mean? If you really want to know, like it's going down like that, like what was I supposed to do? You know what I mean? Like I don't know what to talk to about it. Like Like, how, and then I get kicked out because my mom know I'm because I'm gay. Like, come on. And then I don't have nothing. I'm this dude jacking for everything. Like, and then I'm over here begging for cigarettes over here. Like,
yeah, but how old are you, my guy? You talking about your parents kicked you out because you whatever. You into what you into, man. But how old are you, man? Why you still living under mama roof?
because I'm gay. Like, come on. And then I don't have nothing. I'm this dude jacking for everything. Like, and then I'm over here begging for cigarettes over here. Like, it's a fucking lower than low, dog.
Are you staying clean or no?
Yeah, for the most part. Like,
For the most part, when's the last time you used?
Last time I used.
Today?
No, I don't. You smoked meth like just yesterday or
Yesterday?
morning. That was
Okay.
it, like 1 hit, 2.
Okay.
Pretty enough.
You trying to stay clean, but you hit the. Come on, man. Come on, man. You did that stuff yesterday, man. Why are you trying to stay clean? See, don't blame it on your sexuality, man. Your people ain't just kick you out only because of your sexuality, man. You're a mess. You ain't doing nothing with your life, man. There's plenty of people that's on, that side of the fence and all of that. Part of that community and stuff that's doing good things, man. So it ain't because of that, man. It's because you ain't doing nothing, man. You just want to lay around, mooch off your parents, and come on, get it together, man. Get it together.
Close, dude. I barely took a shower, but 5 days ago, I don't have nothing, bro.
Well, I mean, at least you'll be able to take a shower now.
That's not the point. My mom's gonna be what the?
So.
It's still you're trying to worry about my mom. What the fuck?
Okay. Well, I appreciate you talking to me, Sergio. I think my partner's gonna do his thing. Okay. You take care, bud. All right, watch out.
All right.
I'll do it.
Were you right here in Carlsbad or were you kissing? 16.
The suspects were charged with resisting arrest, obstructing justice, driving with a suspended license, and driving without insurance, amongst other charges for outstanding.
Damn, that is a old picture of her. She don't even look like that no more. This does not look like this. This lady right here does not look like this. Anyways, yeah. Woo, that was definitely chaotic, man. Traffic stop turns chaotic. Did they ever find the purse? Probably not. I'm telling you, it's one or two reasons right there. One or two reasons. Cause she kept talking about money, and all these people right here, they hooked on stuff, fiended out, man. You know what I mean? Fiends. Okay? They heard money, they like, oh, I can get my next fix. You know what I mean? So they took that person, was like, oh, hold on. You need this for bond? Nah, I need this for my, you know what I mean? My addiction. It's either that or something was in there that they didn't want to find out about, man. But I'm going with the other part, because if this lady, if she had something that she really wasn't supposed to have inside of her purse, she wouldn't be asking for her purse. You know? So, anyway. Yeah, cops did a good job, though. They get a 5. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.